Hey, today I would like to show you a new engine in my rolling stock. It's the Märklin 88806. It's a German diesel power engine. It's the Clas 218 and it's from a private railway company. Yeah, that's the reason why it's the blue color. It's a very good engine, like all the other 218s of Märklin. They are very good. The printing is very good, so I can't say something bad about this, and it's really very good. Before I started the video, I let it drove 5 minutes, so the running conditions are very good, very smooth and not so loud. So it's a very good engine, like the other 218 with the new motor generation. So if you ask, I can say yeah, you can buy it. It's a very nice engine. So, and now I would like to show you a little bit the running conditions on my test drive, and then you can see how it is. So now you see the running conditions of this locomotive. In this direction it's a little bit noisy. So it's coming from the gear, but for me it doesn't matter, because it's not that loud that I have to say, oh, there's something wrong and I have to check it. You see the 3 lights in the front and 2 red on the back side. I just need the 3 lamps at the front, because in Germany, when you have wagons behind the locomotive, you have not to switch on the red light, because it's forbidden. Because the 2 red lights shows you the end of a train, and if the locomotive have the red lights on, everybody thinks everything is correct. But if you lost the wagons, for example, nobody knows. And so it's not allowed to switch on the red lights when you have wagons behind the locomotive. When I do put in the decoder, I will remove the option for the red lights, because I don't need them. I need just the 3 white lights. Now I will change the direction, and then you can listen to the sound, and you see it's a little bit less than to the other direction. The running conditions are very good. Yeah. So from my point of view, it's a really good engine, and if you want to buy it, take it, and if not, then don't do it. But I can say it's worth to buy this engine. Now the next steps will be the installation of the decoder, and then I can put the engine to my layout. They can pull some trains. At the moment, I just don't know what kind of train I will put behind the engine, because you can put both, a freight train or a passenger train. And I saw a original picture of this engine with a passenger train. Was really nice, but I don't know if I would, or if I will put this kind of wagons behind this engine. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know, and see you next time.